Gavana wa Meru Mutumantu Ithinkia ni aruguritie matinda jakasa jaria zetete na mbere kaunti-ini ya Meru. Augite matinda jaza kezania na mawega ja maingi muno kiri uchumi bwa Meru, biashara bakirombo gochwa ure bakagunika kumania na michetho eje iria iretete amwe mbunge chonde nthigurune ya Kenya. Rogono roro thuraniri ni Matindula.
Narua irentukwe kurigure michetho atendene kaunti ya Meru, michetho neo kaunti assembly chonde ndene Kenya na manaritingugi pa kaunti assembly ji aramankira na kaunti assembly 44 ikinyete ndene kaunti ya Meru kukungwira michetho eji.
More importantly, all participants, we are here 44 assemblies out of 47, so the entire country is here. On behalf of CASA, I want to celebrate you and ask you to have what it takes to celebrate in Meru County. Without
Governor Meru, Reverend Isaac Mutumantu Ithinkia, uroka mugeni wa gitio kirikaro giki ethwakiwa nontu babata muno kaunti ya Meru kuthwe kithura kuchethora michetho eji nikorania kaunti ya Meru kagita gaka ina thiri na urumwe.
Meru is honored to host this year's County Assembly Sports Association Games, and I sincerely thank the CASA National Executive Council for overwhelmingly choosing Meru. Your confidence tells the nation that Meru is rising as a center of unity, culture, and national events and evolution success.
Ndio tunasema asanti kwa kukubali kuwa sisi ndio host the 6th edition which is happening. Na His Excellency tumeanza jana, tumeanza vizuri isipokuwa.
Let me welcome you sincerely. I want you to enjoy yourselves. You've come for a competition. Let it be a competition. There are always winners and losers. Let's do it in the spirit of sports. Lakini mjisikia mko huru. Bora mwache pesa, msiende na kitu. Ile mlikuja naye msiwache hapa.
Enda mnabubu kwa kuna kwithikira nyuma muritingogi omwe o county assembly Kilifi kwithirwa gikwa rokirwa gukira narua aendene Meru.
I also extend a message of condolences to Kilifi County Assembly, as you can see they are standing there to give a salute of honor following the sudden and heartbreaking loss of our senior sergeant at arms.
We extend our heartfelt condolences to his family, to the Kilifi County Assembly, and to colleagues across all counties. May the Lord rest his soul in eternal peace.
Na tumekubaliana ya kuwa His Excellency Governor, timu ya Kilifi tutakuwa nao mpaka kesho saa 5. After kesho saa 5 tumekubaliana na gavana wetu tutawasaidia vile tutaweza ndio hiyo timu ya Kilifi waweze kurundi na ndugu yetu bwana Alfred na tuko pamoja.
Muthure Murioki, Horo TV, Muthure wa Kangangi.